Hi scholars, today we're going to be talking about arrays. It's going to be very similar to what we did last week, except this time your goal is to be able to create the array out of objects without any help or assistance. They don't give you any lines, they just give you a blank space and ask you to show a certain amount of rows or columns. So remember, rows go this way, side to side, columns up and down, like a column that holds up a building. Okay, so I am going to start by showing you one example and then you can try the rest of them on your own. Okay, so this is from the back of your worksheet that you are going to be trying today. All right, it says to draw an array of x's, draw an array of x's with 4 rows of 3. So it asks me to draw one with 4 rows. Rows I know go side to side, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are going to be like little benches that my x's can sit on to make sure that I have exactly 4 rows of 3. Now that number tells me how many should be inside of, how many objects should be inside of a row. Okay, so here is 1 row of 3. This is 2 rows of 3. 3 rows of 3, 4 rows of 3. All right, now I'm confident that I have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how I would check, of 3. 1, 2, 3, 3 in each row. And I also line them up right on top of each other so that it looks organized and so that it is an array, because an array is rectangular. And this is like a rectangle. Now I write a number sentence to go with it. It has 4 spaces and it's wanting me to add up all 4 of the rows, and inside of each one I have 3. So that would be 3 plus 3 more plus 3 more x's plus 3 more x's to add up the whole entire array. Okay, so if I'm doing my songs, my multiplication songs, that would be 3, 6, 9, 12. Now I know 4 rows of 3 makes 12, and then if I want to challenge myself with the multiplication, I know if it's a certain number of rows of 3, that means I'm adding up 3 how many times? 4 times, so that's 4 times 3, and it makes 12 x's. In this one down here, it's going to ask you to show an array with 1 more row of 3 than the array that we drew up here. So you're going to have to draw the same array, but then add 1 more row and write your repeated addition and multiplication to find the total number of x's. Then draw an array of x's with 1 less column than the array in problem 4. So you're going to have to pay close attention, and you're going to have to take away a column from the array that you create in here, and then write a new addition sentence to go with it. All right, let's see what you can do today. Good luck, scholars. Do your best work.